1. How do I choose the right HVAC system for my hotel? The best HVAC system for your hotel will depend on a number of factors, including the size and type of your hotel, the climate in which it is located, and your budget. Some of the most common HVAC systems for hotels include central chilled water systems. These systems use chilled water to cool the air in the hotel's public spaces and guest rooms. Central chilled water systems are energy efficient and can be used to cool large hotels, but they can be expensive to install and maintain. Direct expansion (DX) systems. These systems use refrigerant to cool the air in the hotel's public spaces and guest rooms. DX systems are less expensive to install and maintain than central chilled water systems, but they are less energy efficient and cannot be used to cool large hotels. Variable air volume (VAV) systems. These systems control the amount of air that is delivered to each room by adjusting the size of the damper in the ductwork. VAV systems are more energy efficient than other types of systems, but they can be more expensive to install and maintain. 2. What are the energy efficiency considerations for hotel HVAC systems? Hotel HVAC systems can account for a significant portion of a hotel's energy consumption. When choosing an HVAC system for your hotel, it is important to consider the following energy efficiency factors. SEER, Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. This rating measures the cooling efficiency of a central air conditioner. The higher the SEER rating, the more energy efficient the unit is. 3. What are the indoor air quality considerations for hotel HVAC systems? Indoor air quality is important for the health and comfort of hotel guests. When designing an HVAC system for your hotel, it is important to consider the following indoor air quality factors. Ventilation. The HVAC system should provide adequate ventilation to remove stale air and pollutants from the hotel's public spaces and guest rooms. Air filtration. The HVAC system should be equipped with air filters to remove dust, pollen, and other particles from the air. Humidity control. The HVAC system should maintain a comfortable humidity level in the hotel's public spaces and guest rooms. 4. What are the maintenance and repair considerations for hotel HVAC systems? Hotel HVAC systems require regular maintenance and repair to ensure that they are operating efficiently and effectively. When choosing an HVAC system for your hotel, it is important to consider the following maintenance and repair factors. 5. What are the latest trends in hotel HVAC design? Some of the latest trends in hotel HVAC design include smart HVAC systems. Smart HVAC systems use sensors and controllers to monitor and adjust the temperature and humidity in the hotel's public spaces and guest rooms based on occupancy and other factors. Smart HVAC systems can help to improve energy efficiency and indoor air quality. Check description for much more.